Orbit synchronized.
You look so disappointed after you just looked down. You're like,
That yeah, man. Oh man, that just wasn't a great hug, man. It just kind of was a little subpar hug, man. Ah, gosh. How's that?
yeah, that's fine.
Just fine.
Launch initiated.
About a B minus.
B minus. I can live with that. That's still passing.
It pays to be a straight shooter. Angle fire might glance off your target or even ricochet into your squad mates. Oh god, is this all haze? Yes, it is. Well, that sucks.
Requesting air support. Calling in reinforcements.
Are you okay?
Clearly not. But hey, I dropped a laser.
Yeah?
I mean, I think it was more just I died and so I dropped it. Are you okay?
I have a whole pack team right behind you. Oh, look at that. 14 kills, 15 kills, 16, 19. Oh, man, you're destroying over there.
Ow, 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 ow! Well,
Located. Southwest. 50 meters.
What? How did it not hit? That's some bullshit.
Requesting orbital strike.
Somebody save me!
Requesting orbital.
Oh, looks like flying from right there. Oh my gosh. Oh.
what's wrong?
Oh. Someone placed an orbital right where I was.
Wait, were you back there?
No. Woo.
Sorry, I didn't know people were there. I'm just.
Yeah, dodge, leave.
Was it the napalm?
Hellbomb armed. Clear
Yes.
the area.
Sorry, that was that was a different Alyosha. That was definitely not me. I thought you guys were like headed to the extraction site, so I was just like booking it for the extraction site and getting chased by a bunch of things, and thought, hey, what if I drop this orbital right here?
I just need 3 more bug holes. Back in.
Say hello to democracy.
Hello to democracy.
Bag's empty. Bag's empty.
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
Calling in reinforcements.
Hey, this guy's everywhere. Okay.
Requesting sentry. Orbital in. Calling down a sentry.
Alright, there we go.
Not there we go. I'm kidding. Ow. They're everywhere. Oh my. I'm dead.
The both of them.
Reinforcing.
God. I got you guys back.
Request approved. Deploying reinforcements. 5 minutes left. We can't stay this low much longer, Helldiver.
Helldiver reporting to the front! Calling in
Get out of there. Just get out of there.
I want to get the
Head to
samples.
evac.
I had samples. I had lots of samples.
Reinforcing.
They're flying after you.
I can tell.
J3, what are you doing?
Get some. Get some.
Oh, finally, behind you.
How can you tell?
Behind you.
Everywhere, not just behind me. Oh my.
Oh, they're the ones that
Where are you? Oh, you're right there. Okay. They are everywhere. Oh my goodness. Just. That's not how. Oh gosh.
You okay?
No, I'm really not okay. Oh my goodness. Where is J3?
I don't know.
I'm gonna die again because I'm gonna die to this little guy, aren't I?
Oh my god, they're a lot.
I'm. Oh gosh. Yep.
Join the track.
Where's my stuff? My. Gosh. Oh. Well, cool. How do I get out of that?
I think I might have accidentally shot you.
No, it was a turret. Your turret, probably, but a
Request
turret.
approved. Deploying
I'm
reinforcements.
just trying to get my samples back. That's the most valuable thing. Oh, well, that's in the flames. I'm not.
Request confirmed. Settle in.
Where are my samples? It says they're right here, next to this really big guy that's gonna kill me. Got him. I'm picking up your.
My machine's actually got overran.
Sorry, I'm picking up your stuff. Hope you don't mind. Oh
fine.
gosh. Do you want it back? I can drop it.
Nope. That's a fire. That's.
Oh, hey, I'm on fire. You're doing great. Hey, you're on fire now.
Deploying reinforcements. ETA T-minus 1
Oh,
minute, 30
yeah,
seconds.
reloaded.
Oh,
Really?
good grief! Something came up right behind me. Holy cow! Everything's on fire.
It said, relax, we're fine. We're fine.
T-minus 1 minute.
Oh, good grief! Everything is on fire. I mean everything. Holy shit!
Do you see now why some people think that the fire tornadoes have an AI that targets us? Like it's literally coming.
Oh
like,
my
straight at
goodness!
us for,
I
like, no
dove. Oh gosh.
Reinforcement budget depleted.
reason. Yeah, but I think you might have
Pick
dove
up-
right into
Pick up my
fire.
well, okay, I guess I'm coming back, but make sure to get my samples if I don't get them.
Pelican 1 landing in progress. Pelican 1 preparing to depart. Shuttle launch in 20 seconds. Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
Easy.
That was a thing.
Super easy.
maintained our way of life.
I'm afraid to see how many Helldivers I just went through.
Roughly 15.
I didn't do as bad as I thought. Still did pretty bad.
Welcome aboard.